Welcome back to Daco, where we share inspiring home garden design ideas to help you transform any outdoor space into something truly special. Today, we're exploring a charming rustic garden filled with creative repurposed decor that brings personality and magic to a small backyard. If you love garden inspiration, DIY decorating ideas, and beautiful outdoor transformations, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you decorate your own garden spaces. Get comfortable and prepare to discover clever ways to turn old treasures into eye-catching garden features that create a whimsical and welcoming atmosphere. Let's begin our rustic backyard journey. The beauty of rustic garden styling starts with embracing natural textures and weathered materials. Wooden crates, aged fencing, reclaimed timber, and stone pathways instantly add warmth and character to even the smallest backyard. Instead of striving for perfection, rustic gardens celebrate imperfections. Slightly faded finishes, distressed surfaces, and naturally aged elements create an authentic look that feels relaxed and inviting. Layering different textures helps build visual interest. Combining wood, stone, metal, and lush greenery creates a balanced environment where every corner feels thoughtfully designed yet effortlessly charming. One of the easiest ways to add whimsy is by turning old household items into unique planters. Vintage watering cans, metal buckets, wooden boxes, and antique baskets can all become beautiful homes for colorful flowers and herbs. Grouping various containers together creates depth and variety. Mixing different shapes, heights, and finishes gives the garden a collected over time appearance that enhances the rustic theme. trailing plants spilling over the edges of repurposed containers soften the overall look and add movement. Flowers cascading from unexpected vessels create delightful focal points throughout the backyard. Rustic gardens become even more enchanting when decorated with vintage finds. Old ladders, worn wheelbarrows, antique tools, and weathered furniture pieces can all serve as decorative garden accents. An old wooden ladder can become a vertical display for potted plants, while a vintage wheelbarrow can transform into a stunning flower bed overflowing with seasonal blooms. These repurposed pieces add personality and history to the space. Every item feels like it has a story to tell, creating a garden that feels both meaningful and visually captivating. Whimsy is what turns a rustic garden into a truly memorable retreat. Decorative birdhouses, hanging lanterns, fairy lights, and handcrafted ornaments introduce playful details that delight visitors. Small surprises hidden among the plants encourage exploration. A tiny garden sign, a decorative watering can, or a whimsical sculpture tucked between flowers creates moments of discovery throughout the space. As evening arrives, soft lighting enhances the magical atmosphere. String lights woven through greenery or lanterns placed along pathways create a cozy glow that makes the garden feel enchanting after sunset. Even compact backyards can feel spacious and inviting with thoughtful design choices. Vertical gardening solutions allow you to grow more plants while preserving valuable floor space. Layering plants at different heights creates depth and dimension. Taller shrubs, medium-sized flowers, and low-growing ground covers work together to make the garden appear larger and more dynamic. Strategic placement of repurposed decor helps guide the eye through the space. By creating multiple points of interest, the backyard feels rich, engaging, and full of charm despite its modest size. Rustic garden styling proves that creativity and imagination can transform even the smallest backyard into a beautiful and whimsical outdoor sanctuary. Repurposed decor adds character, sustainability, and unique visual appeal to every corner. Whether you're using vintage containers, reclaimed wood, antique treasures, or handcrafted decorations, each element contributes to a garden that feels personal, welcoming, and full of light. Thank you so much for watching Deco today. If you enjoyed these rustic garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite decorating tip. We'll see you in the next garden inspiration video.